Hey, welcome to the Doug and Nikki testing studio, where I, today, am going to unbox, play with a really cool new RC car, 1/10 scale, giant, four-wheel drive, super fast. I can't wait to play with it. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. I am going to first show you the play, show you the video, how it works, what it's like, so you can enjoy that and get a feel for what it's like. And then if you're still interested in it, I'm going to unbox it, talk about the features, and then I'm going to come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5 and let you know what I think of it, whether I really like it or maybe it didn't work the way I expected. Anyway, let's go play with it, and then I'll come back and do that unboxing. Okay, I'm interrupting this. You saw the stunts. I'm now going to give you the review before we go to the unboxing. I just had to break in here and tell you this thing is ridiculous. As you can see, I was using the optional clear body that you can paint to any custom paint you want, but I thought it was cool so you could see the inner workings of it while we were driving around. I hope that worked well. I haven't looked at the video yet. Here is how strong this is. This is my GoPro Hero 9, which I've had for a long time. I don't know if you can tell, but I broke the lens. I broke the lens on the most indestructible camera in the world, and my stunt truck is just fine. Obviously, please don't do the stunts that I'm doing in real life if you want your truck to last you, but I wanted to get good video for you, and I really wanted to test it out. So this is obviously a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Bizarrely amazing. I love it. Let's go to that unboxing. Okay, we've rewinded to the past a little bit because I know you've been watching this thing race around, and how fun was that? Let's open it up, see what it comes with. I'll talk to you about some of the features, some of the things about it, and then I will come back, give you that Doug score, that final Doug score from 1 to 5, so you know what I think of it. Oh, in its entirety. Check this out. Look at this. Now, one of the cool things about this kit is it actually comes with an already painted body, but it also comes with a clear one. If you want to do your own custom body, it comes with an additional body, so you can do that. Let's see, that's just garbage. So it comes with these 1700 milliamp hour batteries, which are fantastic because they last a good 20 minutes each. Comes with 2 so that you have a solid 40 minutes of playtime before you have to charge anything. You gotta like that. This is the car itself. That is so cool. It's kind of solid and heavy. Comes with an instruction manual. I always recommend you read the instruction manual. There are always subtle differences between different models, and instead of being frustrated, you just read it and it works the first time. It is a much nicer experience. And I think we are just missing in here. Oh, that's what's in here. Oh, okay. How cool is this? Look at this cool big wing and the mounting system and the clips for that. We'll have to put that on. That looks so cool. Here is the controller, which has both the steering as well as the speed, plus they are adjustable so you can adjust how they work. Okay, let's go over some remote control basics. You have on, off. It will automatically pair with the car. This is your steering, right? Obvious right and left. Throttle, brake if you move it forward. These are your trims. So this is for The speed, you could trim it up, back, you know, just little subtle adjustments. Same with the steering, a little steering a little right, a little left. You can adjust it that way. I'm also going to include that this model was given to me to test and play with, but I was given no instructions on what to tell you about it. So it's free to me to either like it or dislike it, and you're going to see it all. Okay, so it also comes with a basic toolkit, which has the USB charger for the batteries, has a brush so that you could clean things up, a little screwdriver, which is pretty much a universal screwdriver, has this for all the nuts on the car, which is cool. And then finally, it has a supply of spare nuts and screws and clips and that kind of stuff, so you should be good.